Everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing our paper prototype of how we would make some improvements to the Middle Georgia website based on the findings we found in our report 1. So let's get started. Here we have our paper prototype kind of computer screen, and it'll show how we'll flip through the screens. So let's start with the first screen here. As you can see here, we have a little logo. It kind of still looks the same. We've got our menu. The only thing that really changed here is that we did add the schools plan a visit and find a program to the top 3 instead of the bottom 3, I think. A lot of people had some trouble pressing explore programs, which was here before, instead of pressing find a program. So with this, you'd press find a program, and then you'd go to your second screen here. And then the second screen, we're going to actually start at the top here. Then after pressing find a program, it'd take you to this screen where you have, this is programs by location. You could do the search keywords, but that wasn't an option within the report. You have all campuses and formats and all schools that you can have a drop down for. Let's see. So for example, that would be for all the campus and formats. And then for all schools, this would be for that. So you could do that. Oops. Okay. And then for scrolling, you'd have to scroll a little bit to go down. We did keep it pretty much the same here. But you just kind of have to scroll a little bit to make it easier. Most of the time, you can click on School of Computing and it actually pops up a little bit less of stuff and you don't have to scroll as much. So you'd press information technology, click on that, and then let's see. And that would take you to the academic catalog here. This is where a bunch of our improvements happened. Mainly, a lot of people were complaining about how much they had to scroll through a bunch of the information. So instead, we thought we would use drop-down boxes for the areas, which were A through F and 1 through 3, and drop-downs for the concentrations. So for the areas, you would click this, and then you'd have a drop-down that would have all the options here, and you can click whichever one you want to, and then it would display. And then it would display all the area information here. And same for the concentrations here. You would click the concentrations, and then you could pick which one, and then it would show, and then you would click one, for example, within the task that you want to do. You would click Web Applications Development, and then it would display all the information you needed for that here. Also within the kind of navigation part of the academic catalog, it'd probably be helpful to add concentrations under the information technology drop down, just to help a little bit. So with this paper prototype, that seems to wrap it up with most of our improvements to the website based on our findings from report 1. Thank you for watching.